For 8th grade section 6.2, we're dealing with unit rates. So the last section, in the very end, you had to convert everything to the same measurement because we're dealing with ratios. But when we're dealing with rates, it purposely is different measurements for the top and bottom. You're comparing a ratio with different units. Okay, so a rate is a ratio of two quantities having different units. So all you need to do is you don't have to worry about a common measurement. You just simplify the denominator to 1. Okay, so if you divide the denominator by itself, you should be able to simplify it by 1. But again, you have to remember for fractions, what you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. So for example, if I have a rate of $10 for 8 cans, okay, this means that I'm going to divide my top and bottom by 8 because I want to turn this into 1. And 8 divided by 8 is 1. But whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. Right? So 10 divided by 8 would give me 0.8. And 8 divided by 8 is 1. So that means each can, just checking here. Nope. 10 divided by 8 is 1.25. Miss P had it wrong. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, so 10 divided by 8 is 1.25. Okay? So this is telling me, and this is dollars, and this is cans. So for every 1 can, it's $1.25. So $1.25 per can. And this is my unit rate. Same thing with here. I have 187 miles and then 7 days. Okay. In the last section, we'd have to convert that, but how could you? You know, it's one thing if they're both measurements, but this one is in miles, so this is distance, and this is time. So we're just trying to find how many miles per day. Okay. So in order to find it per day, I have to make the denominator into 1. So if I divide that by 7, this gives me 1 day. But whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So I have to divide that by 7. So 187 divided by 7 gives me 26.7 miles. So that means that I went, or whoever went, 26.7 miles for every day, miles per day. Okay? So page 274, number 6 and 8. Go ahead and try page 274, number 6 and 8, and I will see you in class.